in a second, but my bed. So I have this Vineyard Vines hat, and then I don't know where this gray blanket is from, but I just kind of keep it on the end in case I get cold at night, and then I always keep my laptop here, so I can just grab it and go if I need to. And then these pillows, good lord, it's kind of a menagerie. This pillow I know is from Lily Pulitzer, and then I have these two flamingos next to it. Those fluffy ones, and then that gray and lightish pink one, I think those are from Home Goods. And then my comforter, I want to say, is also from Home Goods. Not really sure. But yeah, here's my bed. Very comfortable. Switch and fan switch. And then I have this little follow your heart sign that I got from TJ Maxx. And I have this little ballerina ornament that my friend gave me on a gift once, and I just kind of hung it on my wall. Below, I keep my makeup in there. I don't really wear a lot of makeup, so it's just kind of just dumped all on this little black and white designed thing. Over here, I just have this really good, this candle smells so good. My friend got it from her mom's shop, so I love that. And then I have these two fake candles. I have one of my perfumes that I've been wearing from Urban Outfitters. And then I have this sign that says, she leaves a little sparkle everywhere she goes. It's kind of covered up. Okay, so then on my mirror, I have these Find You letters that my big got me. So yeah, this is my whole mirror. It's really big. It's where I do my makeup. Here are just some knickknacks, my makeup brushes. Up here is my little photo wall. Right now, I just have pictures of everyone that I miss from Cincinnati. And down here is my senior picture. And someone made this for me. If you look really closely, there's a whole bunch of little pictures from different performances that I did in ballet through middle school and high school. It's pretty cool. Okay, so these are my drawers. In here, I just keep my sweatshirts, hoodies, and then my running shorts. This drawer, I just keep all my leotards and tights. Down here is where I keep all my t-shirts. In here, I keep my shorts, jean shorts, and jeans, pants. And then in here, I have all my loungewear, such as yoga pants, sweatpants, and then I have my pajamas on this side. And then in here is just my undergarments and socks. This is my side table. Down here, I have all the books that I love to read. And then in here, I have medicine, vitamins. I have some rescue spray, chapsticks, lotion, body spray. I have some massage little tools, just anything that's kind of essential for before I go to bed. Right here, I have this candle from Bath & Body Works that my friend got me. It smells so good. So then I just have this photo of my mom, this little picture that says she believed she could, so she did, tissues, this picture of the skyline in Cincinnati that I took, another little coaster that my friend made me, and I always have my water so I can just always be hydrated before and when I wake up in the morning, before I go to bed and when I wake up in the morning. And then I have these fake flowers, light pink roses, which are my favorite, with this little metal flamingo. Above my bed, I have these metal flip-flops that I got from Target a long time ago, and then these little party strands. I don't know what they're called, but I also got these from Target. You can get them from Michael's. They come in a lot of colors. I also have two other ones that were in my apartment this past year. And yeah, let's go over here. Okay, so these pom-poms were actually in my apartment, which I really wish I would have done a tour in my apartment this past year for my sophomore year of college because it was so cute. And yeah, but in the party section at Michael's or Target. So I just have these light pink ones, and I'm planning to get more in like other colors for my apartment next year. And then these two wind chimes are from when I was on vacation somewhere. I forget where. Okay, so this is my desk area. I got this picture when I was in Canada. It's just of this ballet dancer. It's really pretty. And then these are my first 3 pairs of pointe shoes that I've ever worn. It's kind of funny because under my bed I have all my shoes literally just like a box of like hundreds of shoes. Just kidding, not hundreds, but definitely probably like close to 100 pair. So this is my really cool lamp that I have. It's really fun. These are 3 special snow globes that I got from my grandma before some of my performances when I was in high school. I found this shell on the beach and it says hope on the inside. It just washed up to shore and I found it and I was like, oh my goodness, this is amazing. So definitely keeping that. It's really special. In here there's just a lot of shells that I've collected. And then, and obviously I did not kill the starfish, it was already dead. And then this is my favorite stress relief eucalyptus spearmint body lotion from Bath & Body Works. So in this drawer, I just keep extra pens and pencils. This drawer just has like stationery, and then this drawer has all my electronic boxes and cords. So in here, I just keep my Lily Pulitzer agenda always just out so I can look through and cross things off that I have to do. I have this little frame that says dreams don't work unless you do, and then I have this one that says you are capable of amazing things. I just think it's really inspirational when I'm doing my work. I have this little mug where I keep a lot of my pens and pencils. And then I also have a stapler and tape, and then my friend got me this really cute flamingo with a little fake cactus in it. I have this cute sticker that someone designed in my sorority, and it's at my sorority house. And I want to put it on my laptop, but I don't really have room, so I just kind of keep it out. I have my question and answer book. Definitely recommend this because it's super fun to just do the questions for 5 years and look back. And then I have another coaster that my friend made me. So yeah, that is my desk. Oh, I have a clock too. And my chair, and I have a little trash bag. Yeah, that's my desk area. Ooh. Okay, these drawers are so convenient. On top, I just have my Mario Badescu spray. I have a plant, and then I have a little essential oil diffuser. I have my main journal, and then I also have my all in a day journal that I just write what I have to do every day, and then I cross it off. In this drawer, I keep my earrings. This has all of my necklaces. You can see a lot of Kendra Scott bags, bracelets. I have sunglasses, and then some dry shampoo, and then this is all the jewelry that I usually wear. This drawer has a lot of my hair accessories and headbands and whatnot, barrettes, everything hair is in here. In here I just have some ballet books. I have this fun game, and I have a little ballet correction book. And then down here is just my school 5-subject notebook and some more books that I use. And then right here is just my window. I have this little cute thing where I hang my curtains on. I forget what it's called. It's like a little solar thing. And I'm pretty sure my curtains are also from Home Goods. I have this little disco ball, and my chair that I've had forever, it just kind of stays in my room. It has these cute flamingo pillows. And then right here, I just have this little shell hanging. I don't even know what this is, but it's really cute. And then I just kind of stuck this little flower up here. This is my closet. Okay, I just filmed something in my closet, and it was, no, I cannot put that on my videos. It's like organized, but no. So right here, I have my Conkin bag. I don't even know how to say that, but I think that's what it is. It's gray. Okay, so then right here, I just have this long mirror that I use to check my outfits, and this little photo collage of quotes that I like. And then there's my door.